Okay, it is Vaporizer Deathmatch. In one corner we have the Boundless CFC 2.0 and
in the winning corner, the Boundless CFX. And we'll finally put to bed which one you should buy.
yeah, it isn't over yet though, just like it hasn't started really yet. So
We'll see.
Right.
We'll see by the end of it.
Okay, this one's clearly superior. It's got a nicer green, there's not even any green.
Look at that blue X. Beautiful.
Box. Ooh, a lot more green.
Terrible box.
Temperature. Oh, fantastic. Ooh. I can feel the temperature of it already. It's hot. Oh, ow! Drop it like it's hot.
Look at this beauty though. Look at that. Everything a vaporizer should be. Fits perfectly in your hand. Look at that, and this wibbles around if you don't want to use it, if you do want to use it. A lovely LCD screen, so you always know what temperature it is.
See the screen working?
I think it's out of battery at the minute, but I'm sure it does work.
Okay, so the CFX doesn't start. Oh, look at that. CFC 2.0 starts and it's heating up. Oh, look at it go. Look at how quickly it's heating up.
Oh, it does have some battery, and it got a maximum temperature of 430 Fahrenheit.
It's not doing too much right now.
Well, it has a very quick 20-second load up time. Thank you very much.
Yeah, does yours look like a little small lightsaber?
Neither does yours.
It does. It looks like a little.
It looks cheap. That's what I think.
And it kind of looks a little bit like Darth Vader's.
Can you stand yours up?
Yeah, of course. Standing up all on its own.
Remove your hand. Remove the other hand now.
This hand? There?
And that last one. Well, I can see we're going to get nowhere with this. Oh, there we go.
Okay, it doesn't stand up. It does heat up.
Just leave it like that.
Really quickly. Yeah. And you can change this. It's got a ceramic heating chamber, which is great. And then you can put this bit on. And you can use that in bongs and whatnot.
Probably not as big as the CFX heating chamber. Can hold up half a gram. Look inside that.
You can squeeze half a gram in there.
Yeah, but you'll probably get a harsh taste though.
No, it's really smooth actually.
I heard it doesn't heat up that well.
Oh, look, it's got up to 392 in like 4.2 seconds fast. It's faster than a Ferrari.
See, mine turns off by itself because it cares about the environment. It doesn't want to waste the electricity.
Oh, well, mine doesn't care about the environment because it's CFCs, isn't it? CFCs, they're not good for the environment, are they? Are they?
Yes.
No, the ozone layer.
Moving on.
Ozone layer. And this one's good for the environment because it doesn't cost as much.
That makes no sense.
If you think about it for long enough, it won't make sense.
Look, you get this lovely card as well with any issues. 3-year warranty with the Boundless CFX. Don't know if you get that.
There's a 3-year warranty or a 3-year warranty.
Lol. Yeah, lovely little book. Everything you could want. How to heat it up, how to use it. Everything you need.
Yeah, can I see that book?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
That's just mean.
You just can't help but drop things. Just throw it everywhere.
And I don't want to unravel it, but you got your stirring tool and a wee cleaning brush so that it will never get dirty.
See, this one
and you'll
doesn't
never get clumpy.
This one doesn't have a stirring tool. It has a cleaning brush and a toothpick.
Oh.
For getting right into those problem areas.
Very considerate. Do you have a charger though?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, how are you going to charge up?
It's probably not as good.
Doesn't have to be. There it is. Just plug it in. Ready. Everyone already has plug to put it in. It's great. And the CFC is $69.99.
Well, not everyone wants the cheaper versions, and if you're looking to splurge this Christmas, I suggest the Boundless CFX.
I splurged last Christmas, but then my mother cleaned it up for me.
Didn't even know that.
Yeah.
So,
How much?
£125.
Yeah, so this is almost half the price.
Twice as good though.
So clearly the
No.
CFC wins.
No. Quality wise, way better. High quality, it's consistent. Larger heating chamber, 5 temperature settings, 20-second heat up time, and 1 button control. Beat that.
Sounds like a lot of excuses.
No.
Excuses really.
Twice as good.
$69.99.
Doesn't matter.
Winner.
No.
Okay, thank you very much. So we've found out the winner. It is the CFC 2.0.
The Boundless CFX.
Thank you.
Buy it.